Get started with iSchoolify by setting up your account and configuring essential school details. This guide walks you through logging in, updating settings, and enabling fees collection to streamline your school management experience. Begin by entering your registered email address to access the iSchoolify platform. Input your secure password associated with your account. Activate the Remember Me option to stay logged in on your device. Proceed by clicking the Login button to enter the system. Navigate to the General Settings section from the main dashboard. Access the General Settings menu again to ensure you are in the correct configuration area. Select the Edit option to modify your school details. Click on the current school name to update it. Enter your school's full official name to reflect accurately in the system. Select the Ultimate Education ERP option to configure your ERP settings. Confirm the selection of Ultimate Education ERP to proceed. Re-enter your school's official name to ensure consistency. Click on the existing school registration number to update it. Update the registration code with the correct format and case. Click on the contact phone number to edit it. Navigate to the Fees Collection module to manage payment settings. Access the Fees Collection section again to confirm your selection. Enable the Fees Collection feature to start processing payments. Agree to the terms and conditions related to fees collection. Select the option to apply a 100% mark or full payment requirement. Review the policy regarding login restrictions for unpaid fees. Click on the policy statement to view or edit details. Confirm the login restriction policy for students and parents. Access the detailed description of the login restriction policy. Review the login restriction settings to ensure accuracy. Enable the login restriction feature to enforce payment compliance. Open the Auto Approval Comment section to manage approval settings. Revisit the Auto Approval Comment settings to verify entries. Select the location field to update your school's address. Enter the full postal address including city and country. Click the Update button to save all changes made. Return to the login screen by clicking the email address field. Re-enter your email address to log back into the system. Type your password carefully to ensure access. Confirm that Remember Me setting is active for future logins, then log in. This guide walked you through the initial setup of iSchoolify, including logging in, updating school details, configuring fees collection, enforcing payment policies, and saving changes. It ensures your school's information and payment settings are accurately configured for smooth operation.